Hi everyone, welcome to Recipes on Cloud. Today we are going to prepare rose sweet. Rose sweet is very easy to make. Come, let's prepare rose sweet. In a bowl, add 1 cup of maida. Along with this, add pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons of ghee. Crumble and mix. Now add milk little by little and knead dough. Approximately I have used half cup of milk. Now the dough is ready. Rest 10 to 15 minutes. For making sugar syrup, in a pan add 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water. Bring to boil. Now it turns sticky consistency. Now add half teaspoon of cardamom powder, pinch of saffron and half teaspoon of lemon juice. And mix well. Now the sugar syrup is ready. After 15 minutes, take small amount of dough and make ball. Then roll thin. Now cut into 3 circles by using any cookies cutter or lid and also cut like this. Now take this piece and roll like this. Now dust the pieces with plain flour. Then only it won't stick. Stack 3 circles, one on top of the other. Press at the center. Take the roll and stick in the center by using water. Cut 3 equal parts like this. Stick the layers like this by using water. Arrange the layers clockwise or anti-clockwise in order to make a rose. Now the rose is ready. In the remaining dough, make some leaves. Deep fry the roses and leaves. It's the time to dip the rose sweet in the sugar syrup. Leave the roses in the sugar syrup for 5 to 10 minutes. Now our crispy and crunchy rose sweets are ready.